In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of transferring money from a card to your PayPal account. Whether you're using a debit card or a credit card, this guide will cover the necessary steps to easily fund your PayPal account. So let's dive right in. So step one, link your card to PayPal. Before you can transfer money from your card to PayPal, make sure your debit or credit card is linked to your PayPal account. To do that, on your computer, first log in to paypal.com. In the top right corner, click Wallet. Here, under Payment Methods, click Link a Card. This one. And after that, just put here your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, and just hit this link card. Ensure the card is active and has sufficient funds for the transaction. So for the second step is add funds from your card to PayPal. After your card is successfully linked, you can add funds to your PayPal balance using your debit card or credit card. So to do that, again, here on PayPal, click on Wallet at the top. So we're already here. Under your PayPal balance. After that, just hit here your on the left side of the PayPal, just hit the card number or the card that you wanted to use to add a funds from it. So select the card you want to use and then enter the amount. Here on the PayPal balance, enter the amount you wish to transfer to your PayPal account and then just click next and then review the details and click add funds. So the processing time will be, this usually takes instant to a few minutes depending on your card and bank. The step 3 is confirm the transfer. After you've decided or after you've added the funds, check your PayPal balance and the funds should appear within a few minutes. In some cases, your bank may require additional verification before processing the transfer. So, what if you don't see the funds? If the funds do not appear after a few minutes, check the transaction history to confirm it if it was processed. You can also contact the PayPal support if the funds are still not showing up. So important things to remember is credit cards. PayPal allows you to use credit cards for payments, but transferring funds from a credit card to your PayPal balance might be restricted in some cases, depending on your region. Debit cards also using a debit card is generally faster and funds are transferred quicker than from a credit card. And also PayPal fees. Some cards may incur fees for adding funds. Be sure to check with your card issuer or for any applicable charges. Here are the tips to avoid problems. First is make sure the card is linked correctly to your PayPal account. Always double check the amount you wish to transfer and use a valid and active card to ensure a smooth transaction. So the final summary, transferring money from a card to PayPal is straightforward, and by following these simple steps, you can quickly fund your PayPal balance. Just remember to verify your card details and review the process to avoid any issues. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.